Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice using an Instant Pot. First, choose your preferred rice, whether it's white, brown, or another variety. Next, measure 1 cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. For white rice, remember to use a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water for optimal results. This simple preparation ensures a great start to your perfect rice. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place the inner pot, containing your rinsed rice and the correct amount of water, into the Instant Pot base. Secure the lid firmly, making sure the sealing valve is in the closed position. For white rice, set your Instant Pot to cook on high pressure for 3 minutes. This quick cooking time is one of the great advantages of using an Instant Pot for rice. Once the cooking cycle is complete, do not open the lid immediately. Instead, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. This crucial step helps the rice absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly tender. After 10 minutes, carefully open the lid, directing any steam away from your face. Finally, gently fluff your delicious, perfectly cooked rice with a fork before serving. For brown rice, the process is slightly different. Use a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water, but cook it on high pressure for 22 minutes. After cooking, allow a full natural pressure release for brown rice to ensure it's perfectly tender. This longer cooking and release time is key for its texture. Also, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.